system. Before I run mmap, I gotta run ifconfig. Ifconfig is what we use to get our internal IP address, right? It is going to show us our internal IP address. On Windows, it is ipconfig. On Linux, it is ifconfig. On Windows, it is ipconfig. And it is going to give us our IPv address, right? My IPv address right now is 192.168.4.1. Let's copy that. Okay, 192.168.4.1. You can even see the local address, the loopback address, 127.0.0.1. That's ours. Everybody has this. Okay. This is my IP address. Remember, ifconfig is going to show you your IP address. You can even do IPA. It'll show you, but ifconfig is more structured.